I meant the steering wheel felt really good. Not my turn, I'm not the egotistic.
Yes, good. So end of the road, we are turning left. Slowly you are.
Following the bend again. This is a really nice car.
Yeah, electric, smooth.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Checking.
So you're turning left. Well done.
Creeping.
Yeah, good.
Creeping again. There's a car that's backing up, but they need to give way to me. But I'm just making sure they are doing what they're supposed to do.
Yeah.
Because, like you said, I need to protect myself.
Next left, please. So just remember your observation here.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go into a full stop. I'm gonna look left, ahead, and right.
Yeah.
And then again, still looking as I'm merging.
Mm-hmm.
Stay in this lane. There's a parked car. Always checking the mirror on which I am going into the direction to.
Yeah. Keep going. At the crossroad, left, please. And then second left. First left here and then second left.
Checking. Slowing down. This is a really good car.
You can buy the same car.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I think
Yes.
I might want to buy the same
This
car.
is first, second left, second there.
So that one, I can see that I don't actually need to signal. I should check.
You need to signal for left.
Oh, this left.
Yes, this
Sorry.
left. Yes. No, not for that. This one. This is different road. Okay. I just want to see how you're dealing with these junctions.
Making sure I'm not speeding up when making sure I give.
And then end of the road, we are turning left. It's an unmarked junction. So how are we gonna deal with unmarked junction?
We are going to go into a full stop and we're turning left.
Okay.
So we're going to go into a full stop, not a rolling stop.
Okay.
One might do. Full stop. No one
Yeah.
else is there. Checking. Always checking, even as I'm creeping in. Oh shoot.
Yes,
The
okay.
curb.
Just little bit is okay. So we're gonna go ahead and then we're gonna pull up to the left here. Here, just here. Yes, we can pull up to the left here. And stop for a few seconds. It's fine. Yeah. Good, well done. So reflect on this loop.
The difficult one was the curb over there.
What happened?
Don't think I checked the mirrors enough as I was turning. Overly conscious of the parked car on the.
So how are we gonna fix it next time?
Slow down and then make sure that I am gradually turning
Okay.
and like not being kind of acknowledging that there's a parked car there, but also realizing that there's enough space that I can turn without hitting the parked car and the curb.
And on approach, can you just look for your reference as well? So how we look for the reference when we're turning left?
The
Side
yellow
mirror.
lines.
And the side mirror, we need to align with the corner of the curb.
Yeah.
So we don't want to hit the curb. So we're gonna go out now again and show me and fix this mistake.
Perfect.
Okay?
Just going to readjust myself again.
Yeah.
Okay, I am now ready.
Yeah, so move off and then end of this road left and at the crossroad left and then second left.
I'm gonna press drive, checking my mirrors.
Yeah.
It is safe. Checking my mirrors again. Moving up. Canceling my signal. left, ahead, and right.
Good.
Left, ahead, and right. And still checking as I'm creeping.
Good.
So parked car there, so I'm already going to start looking at moving here. No parked cars ahead, so I can now veer off to my left. Checking my mirrors because I'm about to turn left. Start to slow down. Aligning my mirrors.
Yeah. It's fine.
And then the
S-
second.
Yeah, second left, please.
Moving smoothly here. Checking my mirrors now. Pedestrian coming, but they have acknowledged my slow down here.
And then end of this road, turn left, please. Unmarked junction.
Staying on my left lane. Making sure my car doors are with there. Checking my mirrors. Signaling. Come to a full stop. I can't see my left as well, so I'm gonna creep up a little bit more, and then I'm going to keep checking. There's a curve here.
Perfect, well done. You fixed the fault. And then we're gonna pull up to the left in same place like last time you pulled up there after this road. Just here. Yeah. We just park the car. Okay. Well done. Can you just reflect on this circle? You did it perfectly. No mistakes. But what do you think?
It's definitely the speed. A lot of it is like slowing down.
Yes.
The thing I did like this time was acknowledging that I didn't have full vision even
Mhm.
as I was proceeding. So
Yeah.
making sure that I wasn't going, okay, I'm just gonna proceed. It was very much, okay, slowly creeping in because I still can't see very well on the left.
Yeah.
So that one I really liked.
Perfect. Well done. You did all these junction perfectly well. So in next session we're gonna move on the right turns.
Mhm.
At the crossroad, right turn and normal right turns. Okay.
Mhm.
So